Hi only. Hi to them. Hi to them.
Hi guys! Today, another day, another vlog. Ayain ko kayong panoorin ito. Kung iniisip nyo ito ay pambata, pero pwede rin siyang pang matanda. Dahil kahit matanda ay mapapatawa rin dito. Kaya panoorin natin.
Don't be shy. Come on. You look at them and come on, you look at them and say something. Come on. Huh? Okay. Come on, say hi to them. Come on, say hi to them. Hi to them. No, not hi to them. Say hi only. Hi only. No, wrong. Wait, how are you supposed to say that? Hi. Yun, okay. Hi. Okay. And now, his name is Hi. No. I mean your name. Hi. No! You forgot na. Come on. Okay. His name is Hi. No! Come on. What's your name? I forgot. You forgot. Come on, concentrate. My name is... Come on, concentrate. I forgot. You forget. Come on, concentrate. My name is... Come on, concentrate. My name is Concentrate. No, wrong. His name is Concentrate. No, wrong. His name is wrong. No. Okay. His name is Whistle. Oh, now, anong Pablo? Anong Pablo? He's not Pablo. Okay, his name is Whistle. Do you know why we call him Whistle? Because he loves to whistle. Children, do you know how to whistle? I'll show you how. Huh? How about you? Sample. Wow! Alright, let's clap our hands for Whistle! Thank you. Okay, sige, aside from whistling, what else can you do? I can sing a song. Sing a song. Like what? Anong gusto niyo kanta? Any request? What do you want him to sing? He will sing, what? Wait. The one I taught you the other night, remember when we're at the top of the roof in our house? And then we're looking up, steady. And then we're looking up the sky. You know what? Why? No, it's okay. I told him not to move. That's why he's not moving. Oh, see, he's not moving. Okay, now. Are you sure? No, I don't think so. Well, anyway, let's continue. Okay, but anyway, I thought he was... Oh, really? Oh, wait. Okay, I taught him how to sing the Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Sun. Anong sun? No, that's not sun. No. Do not move. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. I taught him how to sing the Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Moon. I kept quiet. Anong moon? That's not moon. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, come on. You sing now. Ready? Get set, go. Twinkle. Hey, you're supposed to sing, not me. Okay. Again. Ready? Sing. Come on, you sing. Ready? Sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What's next? Up above the world so high, like a diaper in... Wrong! That's that diaper!